What is up, my fellow budget travelers? Today I am coming at you from Baltimore, Maryland. This trip we stayed at the Hampton Inn, Baltimore Downtown Convention Center. And when I say it's right across the street from Camden Yards, it is literally steps away from Camden Yards. For those of you who aren't familiar with it, this is where the Baltimore Orioles play, the baseball team. And during baseball games, this whole area is flooded with people. During weekdays and things, it's not as busy, but as you can see, there are plenty of restaurants right in this area. If you go to that place, Pickles Pub, that was our favorite place to go. You actually get pickles with your chicken wing. Must be a Baltimore thing, but I thought it was awesome. If you're in Baltimore, you're probably going to be driving. They do offer valet here, and they park your car for you, so you don't have to worry about going in and out of the parking garage all the time. They have this cute patio on the outside, so you can actually sit on the street and take in the city. You can people watch on game day, and if you smoke, you can come and smoke out here. You can eat breakfast out here. This is open all day long, so you can feel free to utilize this area. Still can't get over that it's literally right across the street from the stadium. There's a bunch of booths that set up during game day, so it's a lot of fun even just to hang out and watch the activities of the day. When you first come into the lobby, they do have a little snack bar kind of thing. This is where you check in, and if you go around the corner there, that's where you're going to find the business center, and they do have computer access if you need to print things. They have maps, there's probably coupons in there, and all sorts of information for you about Baltimore and basically all the surrounding area. So this is your one-stop shop to get all the information you need for your trip. All right, now let's talk breakfast. Yes, they have a waffle maker. They have a full setup for you, all sorts of kinds of things you could do for breakfast. Eggs, bacon, sausage, bagels, they have yogurt, all sorts of yummy stuff. Of course, they have coffee, and they have flavors for coffee too. It's actually a really good breakfast, and it is included with your stay at the hotel. The hotel itself is really safe. It's really clean. We sat out on the patio, didn't have any problems. No one was trying to come in or anything. There are a lot of homeless around because you are right downtown, so don't be surprised when you see that, but it is really safe here. And if you're trying to stay somewhere really close to the hospital is really close. It's like a 5-minute walk down the street. As you walk into the room, it gets a lot of sunlight. And our room was facing the stadium, and we couldn't really hear too much commotion. You hear a little bit from the street, but it's really quiet. We didn't have any issues sleeping. So here's an idea of what the room looks like. There's a little chill area over there, desk. And here's the view of the ballpark. I like the fact that they had somewhere to hang your jackets there on the right hand side. Then you have a full-length mirror on the left that also serves as the door. And here is the bathroom. It was really big. The shower is really nice. It has a sliding glass door. They provide you with Neutrogena products. And I really like this barn door concept where it covers the closet if you slide it one way, and if you slide it the other way, it's the door to the bathroom. All the hangers are removable, which you know I love. Then you have the ironing board, the iron, there's a bag holder here. I really enjoyed how much natural light the room got. And the room itself, it felt really clean. It felt new. You had a mix of carpet and wood, so that was nice. The chairs are really comfortable. There's plenty of outlets. There's plenty of desk space. The room itself just felt really big. There's another outlet on the left there. And then you have the TV area, and that's also where you have your drawers. your coffee machine. This room actually comes with a microwave, which I liked. And then you have your refrigerator, which they don't stock, so you can actually use the refrigerator, which you know we love that. The drawers were pretty shallow, but they do the trick. And then you have your ice bucket down here, coffee, tea, cups. I really like this next little area. I kept my luggage there, and then you can also pull out the drawer so you can kind of expand your luggage or put another luggage there. So I really liked that concept. I'm sure it's probably supposed to be like a baby changing area or something, but it works really good for your luggage. Then you have even more outlets. And again, look how big this room is. It is like so spacious. Moving over to the bed area, you have this nice little lamp. Of course, there's an alarm clock, the phone, and they had the hotel sheets, so you know they're like thick and fluffy with a sheet underneath, and each of the beds had 4 pillows on them. So we had a really good night's sleep. This room was really nice, and I highly suggest it to anybody going to this area. And I wanted to show you the stadium at night. As you can see, not too many people, but there are some people walking around, but it's really safe. And I'll leave you with the statue. If you like this video and it really helped you out, please hit that like button, help other people find me, and feel free to subscribe. I talk hotel tips all the time, airline hacks, travel tips, talking about them all month. So make sure you check out that playlist, and I will see you in the next video.